Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World and Gander RV. I'm in front of this awesome, it's a Salem FSX 280 RTX. It's a toy hauler. Something to know. Let's say you're brand new to camping, you've got a toy hauler. It will tow a little bit different when you load up your gear or your UTV or your four-wheeler or your motorcycle into the back. What that does is you have your back end's gonna have a little more weight to take some of the tongue weight off of your hitch. Now, if you have a weight distribution bar, you may have to have some adjustment. You may want to have it adjusted when it's full, and maybe it won't pull as good when it's empty, but if you're going to pull it full most of the time, that might be the way to do it. Another big tip for towing, make sure you have 8 or more ply tires on your tow vehicle. It won't squish, the tires won't squish, because you think about like a water, it's just like, with stiffer, it's not going to go all over the road. Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World and Gander RV. I'm by this toy hauler again. Now, you'll see these on every single toy hauler. On the inside is a little handle. People ask, what is that? Well, it's a vent. You can open it up. The reason they do that is you may have motorized vehicles in there, motorcycles, four-wheelers, UTVs. You could get a gas smell, gas leak, whatever, and you want to be able to vent that smell out so it's not dangerous for everybody on the inside. So you got to have the vents, and you got the back door, whatever, but get that smell out of there. Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World and Gander RV. Anyway, wanted to show you, this is the setup, the bars for a weight distribution hitch. A lot of people ask, how does it connect to the frame? So I'm gonna stop and then I'll show you that. So you can see right down here, this bolts onto the frame. Now they measure it from the front of the hitch, and then they attach these bars right onto there and then into the receiver, into your truck, and make sure everything's level. Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World and Gander RV. Another tip for new campers, it's that time of the year. Right here, you're on the front side of this little zinger, or it's a crossroads zinger, and this little thing is on almost every camper, looks similar to that. That's your heating or heater vent exhaust. It does get hot. Now this is underneath the awning, and if you're like some people, they're going to set up a table here, maybe have a radio or coffee maker. You want to make sure nothing is in front of that furnace exhaust, because it's going to be hot. And I've heard stories of people sitting around the fire and they smell something like electrical burning, and they find out that's it. Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World and Gander RV. Just want to go over the jacks here. If you're a new camper, you're going out, little things that you just don't know about. Those are power stabilizer jacks there, and then those are the manual stabilizer jacks there. You can use a drill bit with a power drill, but don't use one that's going to grind it right in the ground, because you're going to bend it. But I do recommend putting a pad, just one of those little pads underneath it, because if you have any kind of soft ground or whatever, even if you don't, it makes it sure it's really level. It's less likely to damage anything, and it will be more stable because it's not going to sink down into the ground. Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World and Gander RV. Wanted to go over something for new campers. I get this question a lot, is should I fill up my water tank before I go down the road? Now this is a Coleman lantern right here. This is your fresh water fill, so you use a hose, and with it's not like a screw-on water hose, just like goes down into the port and you dump it in. I recommend not doing that, because you have the extra weight. It's 8.34 pounds per gallon of water. Extra weight, plus it's gonna be sloshing around, and it could cause some towing issues. Now, if you have to, you can do it, but just be aware of what could happen. Most of the time you go to the campground, they're gonna have a water fill station. If you don't wanna use their water, get the portable water tank, put it in the back of your truck. It's over the axles, whatever. It's gonna go down the road a lot better. There you go.